At Washington Community Schools, we believe every child is capable of success, no exceptions.
Through Kids at Hope, we help students begin thinking about their future and help them understand that it isn't just something that happens. It's built by connecting what they're learning today to who they want to become tomorrow.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a teacher when I grow up.
When I grow up, I would love to be a farmer.
Whenever I grow up, I want to be a cheerleader.
Through Kids at Hope, students explore 4 destinations of life: home and family, hobbies and recreation, community and services, and education and career.
Conversations around these destinations help them understand that their choices matter, and by putting forth effort, their future is full of possibilities.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
When I grow up, I want to be a veterinarian. When I grow up, I would really love to be a music artist.
When I grow up, I want to be a nurse.
I know I can do whatever I want as long as I put my mind to it, and Washington Community Schools can help me achieve my goals.
When students have confidence in their future, their motivation changes. Kids at Hope helps our students build confidence, purpose, and direction from the very beginning. Because when every child believes in their future, there are truly no limits.